direction. It changed my heart desire.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you
It's
like
so-
silver plants.
Yeah.
Welcome to our garden. Hello guys, another day, another vlog. Meron po kasi tayong naging bisita. Share ko lang po yung maigsing vlog namin ni Gabriel. Ayan, siya po ay from Cameroon, Africa. Tuwan-tuwa po siya dito sa ating mga halaman, kaya yon, inyo pong panoodin. May maigsi po tayong video clip para sa kanya. Para mapanood din po niya kapag siya ay umuwi na sa Africa. Hello guys, we have
Yeah.
visitors here. He's from
Coming very far from Africa, Cameroon.
very far from Africa.
Yeah.
And shout out
It's a-
your family.
Yeah, of course. Oh,
He
so
loves
I say
plants.
hi to my family, and I wish all the best for this garden because it's a wonderful garden, very beautiful. She has very beautiful plant and all exotic and tropical exotic plants. So I'm so amazed. I'm so
Yes,
amazed.
thank you very much.
You're welcome. Philippine children that is going to Cameroon. What a native.
Yeah.
What a
Guys,
native-
I'm so happy that
what
my
a native
plants
gift going very far in Africa. Can you imagine?
Yes.
It's about 23 hours flight.
23
One connection.
hours.
So it's so far.
My husband's work in Africa.
Really? In
Yeah.
this country in Africa?
I forgot.
Uganda, Kenya, Cameroon, Nigeria,
No, not Nigeria. I forgot.
South Africa,
I don't know where, but
Morocco. Wow.
he worked there with in a gas plant for 2 years. And the people very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, they like the people there.
That is our people in Africa. We are so
very
social. So
Yeah,
you know, so
and very
lovely.
good in
very
dancing
good.
and
Yeah,
singing.
Yeah. Singing also.
That's why
Yeah,
my
yeah.
husbands love Africans.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wish I will invite you there.
Yeah, he has friend Africans.
Yeah. I'm gonna invite you there because
Oh.
you need to visit my garden as I'm doing here in Philippines also.
Oh.
You really need to visit it because I know that I have many plants that you people don't have here,
Mhm.
and we might anyway. If one day you have a chance to bring in African plants in Philippines,
Oh, I
think you will
hope
have
so.
an amazing garden. Yeah.
What plants is
We
your
have-
favorite?
My favorite plant
Yes.
as indoor, right?
Yeah.
Indoor plants.
Yeah.
My favorite plant, I think it was before variegated monstera, but I think now my favorite plant is this.
Branchanum.
Yeah.
That is Branchanum, guys. I'm going to give that
Yeah.
plants.
I really, it is like a new baby. This plant changed my direction. It changed my heart desire.
Really?
Yeah. It's so beautiful, you know, with silver dot like this. It's so, I don't know.
Oh, you
It's
like
so-
silver plants.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And your family love plants also?
Yeah, of course. I have children that love plant. Every time that I see a new plant, I just make the picture of this to him. He say, "Wow, so
Oh
amazing."
wait, I have a question for
amazing.
you.
Yeah.
Why did you choose Philippines to visit?
That's a wonderful question.
Yeah,
I chose Philippines because
and here in
you know,
Paligawan.
Historically,
Uh-huh.
my country and Philippines has a very strong relationship,
Uh-huh.
friend relationship. First of all, secondly, by the culture, Philippines culture looks like my
Africans.
culture in Africa.
Mhm.
Philippines are so sociable, so friendly. That makes me
Happy.
feel very happy. As I'm in Philippines, I feel home.
Mhm.
I feel home. And to tell you one of my secret, I wish I will have a portion of land in Philippines to have a part of my family here.
Yes.
And if one day I can have a Philippine nationality, why not? I
Why
will be
not?
I will
Why
be so
not?
happy.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Mhm.
I love this country.
Yeah, bring
I
your
love
family
this country.
here.
Yeah, I love Philippines. I love Philippine citizens. You
Yeah.
people are wonderful people. Oh,
Is this the first time you visit Philippines?
No, it's the second time.
Second
Yeah,
time.
it's the second time, and I think I will come again.
And
will
then,
come again.
why you choose Paligawan to stay?
When I arrived in Manila,
Uh-huh.
I said, guys, I want where I can find beautiful plants.
Ah,
Say, if you go around Tagaytay,
yeah.
you will get beautiful flowers and you will get whatever you want. At Tagaytay, I went to the flower shop, and one guy, very kind, very a wonderful guy.
Yeah.
The name is Rogers. He said, "Okay, hold on, I'm going to take you with my bike." This is how I discovered Silang,
Okay.
and from that one, I make Silang my second town in
Okay,
Philippines.
wow, guys.
This is why I'm here. This is why I'm
Yeah.
here. And I really discovered that in Silang, we have many variety of tropical plants, exotic
Yes.
plants, and new
And
variety
expensive.
also, yeah.
And not
Not
expensive.
expensive, but
Yeah.
rare and so original, and unique.
Yes. And
You have-
unique.
you have plants that are very unique here in Paligawan.
Oh, yun ha. Oh,
Yeah.
other question.
Yeah.
What plant, give me one plant that you never forget in your country.
One plant that I never forget in my country,
And we don't have here.
and that you don't have here.
Yeah.
It's I think it's a giant phoenix.
Oh, yeah, we
Giant
don't
phoenix.
have.
You don't have here,
Yeah.
and you have also date palm.
Date palms.
Yeah, date palm.
I knew. We know it date palms.
Um,
We have some more here date palms.
I'm gonna give you some seed of date palm.
Mhm.
The seed I'm gonna give you came from the king of Saudi Arabia's garden.
Oh, we
Yes.
came from Saudi Arabia. That's why I knew
Yeah.
the dates. And my husband know how to take care of it.
That's good. So I'm gonna give you some seeds.
Uh-huh.
In short, it's the fruit.
Yeah, the fruit.
I'm gonna give you some fruit.
And then there is seed
when you
inside.
eat, and there is seed inside. When you eat the fruit,
Oh,
you plant.
yeah.
Yeah. I'm sure that it will grow here.
Yeah.
Yes, you make a mixture of more sun.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, more sun than soil.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna grow. So the
Thank
palm
you.
is so wonderful.
Yes.
Yes, and
dates.
Phoenix, the
Oh.
giant phoenix. I've seen the
We have
miniature phoenix here.
Yeah, it's a small leaves.
Yeah, the small leaves. Yeah, but we have the giant one.
Oh, okay.
We have the giant one.
Thank you. So
You're
happy to hear that.
You're welcome.
Ako'y tuwang-tuwa kasi yung halaman natin nagustuhan niya at nagbigay tayo ng tokens para sa kanya to bring sa bayan nila, sa country nila. At yan, gustong-gusto niya itong Branchanum kasi may nakita siyang lash. Tapos itong si Burley Marks, itong egg yolk, ayan. Hindi niya kailangan yung malalaki kasi maano siya sa costume at saka sa shipping. Yan. At ito yung, syempre yung Seratum, para mapropa na niya, yan po yung binigay natin.
Wonderful serat.
Nakuha na nga pala ni Gabriel ang kanyang mga halaman. Sobrang tuwan-tuwa po siya. At dadaan daw po siya dito bago siya umuwi. Share ko lang yung ilang kwentuhan namin. Ayan. Nag-uwi daw siya ng ganyan, marble Congo. Pagdating daw sa kanila, naging green na lang. Isa rin ito sa mga gustong-gusto niya, itong variegated cardboard. Kaso mo guys, ito ay sabi ko nga, hindi pa sila acclimated. Sinabi ko rin sa kanya at pinakita ko, natutuyo pa yung mga gilid-gilid ng dahon. Hindi pa talaga sila perfect, kaya not for sale pa talaga ang ating variegated cardboard. Wait na lang po natin na ma-perfect. Dito sa part na ito, talagang nagbalik-balik siya. Nagustuhan niya talaga yan. Wala kasi dito si Tibo guys, kaya hindi rin kami na-videohan. At syempre, nahiya rin naman ako na palagi siyang tutukan ng ating cellphone. Na-amaze din siya dito sa ating Magnificum. Diba kahit ordinary naman talaga, maganda po ang Magnificum. Gustong-gusto ko yung mga guhit-guhit na yan sa kanilang dahon. Yan, sabi niya sobrang gaganda ng mga halaman natin. At natuwa siya kasi nga po, alam naman niya na, at nabanggit ko rin na kami lang naman yung nag-aalaga. Kaya tuwang-tuwa siya na nakakapagpaganda tayo ng halaman. O diba katulad niyan si Mirabilis, Ang ganda ng dahon yan. Ay, syempre, hindi magpapatalo yung ating brownie eye. Ang galing niya, napansin niya yung iba't ibang klase ng halaman talaga. O, ayan. Ganda no guys. Bagong umulang kagabi ngayon ko lang natuloy itong ating video. Kaya ayan, healthy, fresh na fresh ang ating plants. Nagtanong si Sir Gabriel ng ganyan na Orbi, na small. Kaso guys, wala naman po tayong available na small. Lalo siyang natuwa dito sa ating Cobra Fern na giant. Wala na rin po akong small. Pagpasok niya, ito talagang egg yolk. Diyan siya talaga nag-video ng todo. Kasi nga naman, ang ganda naman talaga guys. Dito naman kay Pakpaklawin, ang sabi niya, nagustuhan yung pwesto. Napaka-colorful daw ng ating plants. At healthy talaga. Kaya, syempre, happy si Presi. Wala kasi dito si Tibo kahapon nung dumating siya. Natutuwa ako kapag na-appreciate ang ating mga halaman. Tapos, ang sabi naman niya dito sa bromeliads, oh, this is good for busy people. Sabi niya, kasi nga hindi po alagain. Katuwa siya. I-flex ko na din itong ating mga bromeliads. Ayan guys, hindi ko pa siya nariripat. Mas okay po pag yan ay naripat kasi mas lumalaki sila. Mas maganda sila tingnan. Tapos kung dito sa pwesto niya ay magustuhan niya, dito ko na lang sila ilalagay muna. Wala pa po kasing space dun sa harap. Kailangan kasi nila yung masisikatan ng araw para mas lalong gumanda ang kanilang mga kulay. Tingnan nyo naman guys. Diba? Sabi ko nga, gusto ko ng maraming ganito para sa Christmas. Pwede na natin yung gawing Christmas decors. Yan. Tingnan natin kung gaano sila magiging malaki. Pero ito naman po ay for sale. Siyempre, pag lumaki na, pag napalaki na natin, napaganda, naripat, may additional po tayo. Siyempre, yung naging paso, pating mix. O, diba? Kaya kung gusto nyo po ito, i-mine nyo na. Hanggang nakaganito pa, kayo na yung magripat. Para mas ano po, makakamura kayo. Pero kung gusto niyo naman, kasi iyan, ilalagay ko po lahat yan sa white na pots. Para mas lalong makita yung kanilang kulay. At mas lumaki pa sila. Mabilis silang lumaki kapag ka nariripat. Wala naman po itong fertilizer. Ang maganda lang sa kanya, yung masikatan ng araw talaga. Pero hindi sila yung direct sunlight. Pang shaded lang. Giikot-ikot si Tibo. Nako, yun daw. Ang kanyang nabawasan kasi. Ayan guys, so nabawasan ang kanyang Peruvian. Oh, giikot-ikot. Saan pupunta? Tinitingnan mga bromeliads. Oh, check yan. Pag nasisinaga ng araw, lumalabas ang kulay. Guys, natuwa na rin kasi siya sa mga bromeliads. Talagang na siya ngayon, plantito. Oh. Oh, tito lang daw, tito.
Ayan.
Oh, ayan. Oh, dito ka. Ayan, sige.
O yan, tinan yung egg yolk namin, oh. Ang gaganda. Lalo pag nasinaga ng araw yan. Ay, lalong mas maganda.
Lalong didilaw.
Makikita nyo kulay. Ito pa. Itong golden melon, may giant na ako doon. Ito, talagang ito, for sale.
For sale na yan, sure.
Pero parang gusto ko, nakikita ko araw-araw. Ayun pa, oh. Ay, bili na kayo. Baka
Umarap ka dito. Harap sundan nito, malikot. Ikot ng ikot. Oh. O, ano sasabihin mo?
lalo na pag nasinagan ko ng araw, lalo mas maganda.
Yan, yung
Kita
foliage.
nyo yung kulay. Kahit dito sa cardboard doon, lalapad. Nako, bili na kayo. Magkakaubusan.
Kakaubusan na.
Nako, ayan, no? Tayo talaga dito.
Dinadayo na daw talaga.
Ayan, no? May Peruvian pa tayo dyan, no?
Ay, yung susunod na video natin, yung nakaraang araw, ay talaga naman. Pagod na pagod si Tibo kasi nag-ball out pa yan. Tapos nagkataon po, nagkasabay-sabay ang mga customers. Ayun, bagsak.
Gawin nyo na yan, mauunahan na kayo.
Mind nyo na daw, maunahan na kayo. Dito pa.
Oo.
Yan, oh. Hirap sundan to.
Mas mabilis ba ako?
Oo, bilis ka maglakad eh.
Pero ito,
Ang ganda oh.
itong photos na ito,
Oh, yung photos na yan,
gusto
ano?
ko tumaas.
Ah, bago ibenta.
Ayaw muna
Eh, nababawasan na.
Oo nga, hindi makatiisin.
Hindi makatiis na hindi ibenta kasi gusto niya kasi makarating doon sa taas yung dahon para mas malalaki. Mas may enjoy nyo. Oo, mas maganda.
Nanat for sale ko muna yan.
Oh, not for sale muna daw yun. Para maganda presyo pag malaki, no? O yan. Hanggang sa muli po, maraming salamat. No stress. Just relax. Bye!